Currently there are so many different window covering styles. As we go further and further and evolve, we look for more solutions to more problems, and people frankly like more variety. To that end, looking back to, the 70s with the woven woods, and the 80s with the aluminum mini blinds, and the 90s with the 2-inch wood blinds, we get to the 2000s, and really there's been a lot of product innovation. We have honeycomb shades, layered banded or zebra transitional style shades, sheer shadings, roller shades, screen shades, plantation shutters, wood blinds. People still occasionally do aluminum blinds, Roman shades. We have operable Roman shades. We have outdoor shadings. There are so many different types of shadings out there that are really based on people's different styles and their different tastes, and also the different functions associated with each one of those styles. Not only in 2026 do we have all of these different types of shadings, but we have this entire complement of lifting systems that comes with it. We have continuous loop cords, we have retractable cords, we have cordless shades. Most importantly, we have motorized and automated shades, and really a variety of really dialing in and tuning your environment and your decor to your exact needs. Window coverings is one of those things over the last few years in decor people have really focused on a lot, as in design, they're always at the eye level. And people have put a lot of money and a lot of time and design thought into flooring and rugs and specific lighting and paint colors and things. Well, now window coverings have really kind of inserted themselves into modern design in a way that really changes and alters the look of a room and also enhances the function of that room. Well, I think whenever our clients, visit us at One Stop Decorating, they come in with a specific purpose for their shadings, and maybe they're not as educated or maybe don't understand all of the nuances to what they're looking at and how they're looking at it. And really, our consultants like to guide people in what the right window covering is for their function, for their design, and for their personal style. One of the things that we have to take into account when we evaluate someone's home is, how deep are your windows? How large are your windows? Because not every window covering is made for great expanses and larger windows that they're putting in homes today. What color palettes? Do we want to stay neutral? Do we want to use an accent color? Do we want to complement that color with something? What type of system do we need to use to operate that shade? Many windows are behind couches or very, very high up in the window, and cordless shades and things like that don't make sense when you can't reach the shade. So maybe we need to look at automating those shades or using something with a longer cord. When people are building homes and they're planning for their windows and their window coverings, oftentimes we go in and we consult with the clients on the wiring needs and working with the electrician or the low voltage electrician to make sure that we get it wired correctly. We get wires put in the exact place that they need to be to accommodate whatever type of shade we decide to do, and how to maximize that flexibility, because quite frankly, most of our clients don't have the ability to kind of envision the style, the color, or the design during the stage of studs and sticks when we're trying to plan out the wiring. So they rely on our consultants heavily to work with them, show them pictures, go through our video library and our picture library to give them examples of the different types of shades and the function and how they work. Another of the features that we like to take into account in our design and our function is whether the shade operates from the bottom up or the top down, or it's draperies that draw from side to side. Many people have open views where they don't want to block things at the top, so we want to use window coverings that don't leave a large stack at the top of them. A lot of people really enjoy draperies in the style of a drapery panel or a fully operable drapery, but sometimes we don't have the amount of wall space on the edges to be able to hide the fabric so that we can continue to maximize that view of a golf course, a forest, a lakeside view, or any of those types of environments. So really, there's a lot of planning that we need to take into account, and I think that a majority of our clients truly appreciate what One Stop Decorating helps them do in the preparation process to be able to choose the right window covering for the right situation.